Actually, just take a photo here, to be honest with you, while we're here.
Hi guys, we're currently in Goa and we're going to show you one of our Airbnbs that we are staying at. So we have pool access literally from our balcony. As you can see, it's just over there.
Yeah, so just above these, oh sorry, just further than these trees here, pool's just there.
Look at this amazing view. Now we're at the...
Liz, actually, can I take over at this point, actually? I want to do the pool part. So yeah, let's take you to the pool first. That's the pool. So every day they literally clean the pool, I think 2 or 3 times. They basically close the pool and then they clean it out, as you can see in the background. So let's show you the pool quickly. It's quite a big one. It extends right there. I think, what do you call it, infinity?
Yes.
Yeah,
infinity
so right at the end,
pool.
over there. Super
And
clean.
we've got another one here, another pool there.
Yeah. Wait, I'm blocking the view. As you can see, that's the size of it. It's really good from this angle. I think you can see things better. Should I go for a swim? In a bit later on.
Then switch to the wide lens. You can see all the apartments behind
Sorry?
us. Switch
What?
to the wide lens.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
You can see all the apartments behind us.
There we go. All that. As you can see, it's really nice. There's also 24/7 security. You can see us, well, you can see behind us actually. They're literally, I think, about 15, 25 people. And there's like multiple blocks. So this is tower number 2. I think there's about 7, 8 towers altogether. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, there's 9 floors. You can probably count in the video to correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, there's 9 floors. And I think there's a rooftop actually, which we haven't actually seen that ourselves. Cool. So let's tell them what this is. Kind of self-explanatory.
This is just like a little garden area.
Bit of background noise here. So yeah, as you can see, this basically is just outside the gym, just an open space if you want to take your baby for a little walk or your kids, or just come and chill here. So as I explained, there's a gym next to here.
Here is the gym.
Is anyone inside? Don't invade their privacy. Go for it. So this is also maintained quite well. It's actually got all the cardio equipment over here. The AC's just shut down right now because they don't really operate at this time. But we asked them if we can actually just video here today. So here we are. You wanna work out? Private gym, frontline pull access, and the apartment's just outside. Look at this, the whole gym to ourselves. Time to lift some weights. And baby's also doing a workout here too. Gonna do tummy time soon. Yeah! So we use this gym literally like twice a day, thereabouts. Cardio in the morning, and then we do weight training in the evening after our budgie puri budgie. So there's like ACs everywhere here. There's 4 ACs, and this gym also overlooks the pool, as you can see. Let's get a better view from here. So it's quite pleasant when you're working out as well.
Where are we gonna go now?
Rooftop. Well, the games area. Come, the games area. Come. We almost forgot. Hello. This is the washroom for women, I think. There's a lift here to go up and down to and from the showers, and also it joins onto the swimming pool. Let's show you the other rooms now. Go first, let's just get a dog's right. Won't do anything, it's quite friendly actually. Until you do something wrong. So here's where you sign in before you use the pool. And you have a quick shower over here. Using the facilities, locker rooms, everything. What a blur. Over here, shower rooms are here, changing rooms and whatnot. Now we can go to rooftop. Let's go. Find the lift. Is it that way? Straight then left, right. Amazing. So that's the part we come under and then go into the lift. Yeah, as I mentioned, 9 floors. There we go. Got it? Wow, that is amazing. This reminds me almost of Dubai, but just in Goa. Well, actually, wait, just look at that. So that That's actually quite nice. Just a little place to chill. We actually haven't come up here, you know. So we're seeing it at the same time as we're revealing it here. This is amazing. Oh, look at that. I don't even know which part to video first. Much better in person. Wow. I think that's the Zeswari Bridge over there. I see in the distance. And that's Jacinto Island, isn't it? Over there, which we went last time we came. That's actually amazing. Let's see what else there is to offer. Go inside there. Let's have a look. Huh? What is it? Ah, communal area kind of thing. Hello. Straight up there, I think it's more, yeah. Wow. So another rooftop infinity pool. That's amazing. This is impressive for Goa. Remember the other places we stayed? I mean, they had their positives, but this, yeah. Get it later. Great stuff. It's like there's something else here. Don't even know where we're going, to be honest with you. It's like a fluke video. Oh, it just takes you around for wheelchair access. Huh, thought about everyone. And for babies. Where's our baby gone? What? Yeah, no. Actually, let's take a photo here, to be honest with you, while we're here. Probably also show you the apartment at night time, which is really, really nice. So we'll probably wait and do that later. But for now, we can show you the apartment as well. Yeah. Oh, we missed this out. We'll just pull over. Water. Okay. Not really. So what is this? Apparently there's a sauna here actually as well. That's what the toilet is. I think this is like a meeting room, business meeting room. Come do a lot of property stuff here. Looking a bit dodgy, Liz. So here's the view again. This side. The amount of monkeys that must be living there. Here's another section. Oh, bloody hot, man. Yeah, we're kind of doing this literally at lunchtime. Back to where we were, we're going to take you to the room now. Look at that. Just look at that before we go down. And...
We're on the wrong floor, Jonathan.
What?
Wrong floor.
What floor are we on? Oh wait, are we on the right block? Oh, we moved blocks, Liz. Go to the other... We're on tower block number... Yeah. So if you want to find out how much this place is per night, per week, per month, according to the discounts and stuff like that, just let us know, just message in the comment section below. Also, if you want to know about anything specific about experience here, because now we have a baby and we can tell you from a perspective as a mum and dad to see if it's friendly for baby facilities and all that kind of stuff, and how they treat you in general. So far it's a good experience, but there are some things to be aware of, so yeah, just let us know. We can explore. Where the hell are we? Oh yeah, this is all the... I might as well just show them the car park stuff. And so yeah, every flat or apartment rather has an allocated parking space, which is quite good. So there's loads of blocks here, as you can see. I can show you now. All over there. Oh yeah, there's backup generators, so if power fails in this whole apartment area, it's there as well. So you can see the blocks all there. It is massive. I think we're passing our parking section soon. Oh my god, no. Okay, now we're in the correct tower block. It was not someone else's door. Go for it, Dad. Door light. You got Tantias already? Oh, there's AC in the living room as well. Oh, TV's fair size, so we can watch movies.
I can put it on now.
You can do. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it's a big tank for water as well. Vitrified tiles. AC up there. this apartment. Woo! Decent view. Gardens. And let's see the ensuite that we have here. Oh, that's nice. Similar theme to what's going over there. Another big fat geyser, so we don't run out of water. Those of you in India know what that's like. Or been in India, sorry. It's currently midnight right now. Actually, it's 1 o'clock. So I'll show you a nice view of the pool. Should be opening any moment. Okay, let's go. I'm just going to look at the pool view at night time. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's have a look. This is the rooftop view at night time. Not the best camera phone, but yeah, you get the idea here. So silent.